All right, good morning. I'm Steve Williamson with Frontline Communications, and we're going to take a look at the Hunterdon County Mobile Command Center here. So, want to start with the chassis. This is a Pierce custom Saber chassis, and it's powered by the Cummins L9 450 horsepower engine. We'll also build on the Pierce Velocity, Pierce Enforcer, and then, of course, we'll also build on commercial chassis, Freightliner, and International. So behind the chassis, we've got the custom aluminum body. This is a completely smooth skin body. There's no rivets or fasteners anywhere on the exterior. We've got four 30-inch slide outs, shore power connection here. This is our engineered ducted generator compartment, so it's specifically engineered to cool the generator to keep it from overheating. It's designed to run with the doors shut, and you can see we're bringing air in from the front of the compartment there. It's coming across the stator generator, and then it's exhausted out of this louver here on the side of the truck. So you're never recirculating hot air. It gives you maximum cooling. These are the back of our equipment rack. So one key feature of Frontline is that we'll always give you access to the back of the equipment racks for technicians to get up there and do maintenance work, do rewiring, or install or take out equipment. So a very important feature there. Walking to the back of the truck, this is the Mast component compartment. So we've got the pneumatic mast compressor that raises the mast. There's a handheld controller there on the umbilical cord. It's just an on-off switch. And we put it here right next to the mast because we want you to look up before you raise the mast to make sure there's no power lines or trees above the mast. So big safety feature there. This unit also has a rear wall mount air conditioner. It's the Northern Air mil-spec unit, and the benefits of that are the cooling capacity is much greater than rooftop units, and it'll give you a much quieter environment on the inside because there's no rooftops over the workstation or consoles to give you that noise. Another nice feature of this truck is the exterior monitor compartment. So we've got a compartment here, we've got a big display, and we can route any video coming into this monitor that we want from the video router. This is a great area for a commander or other leadership position to come out and give briefings or updates to the media or their staff or any other responders that might be in the area. And then finally up here in the forward area, this is our electrical compartment. You can see how neatly all the wires are bundled and labeled, and we've got a couple chargers there that are protected, as you can see, and then we put the batteries on a slide-out tray for ease of maintenance. All right, we're going to step inside the truck and take a look at the interior. We'll start up front here. So this is a forward workstation area. This truck was designed to have two workstations, one each side. These were specifically set up for the customer's application for dispatch. So these can operate either as communications workstations or dispatch, emergency calls, non-emergency calls, however they need to use it. You can see the I/O panels are all customized for each customer. We've got network connectors, HDMI, power, of course, and then you can see the radios that we've got installed in the raceways. All these raceways lead back to the equipment rack. They're in the top ceiling of the truck, and it makes it really easy to go back and do a technology refresh to the truck, which is going to be needed 5-7 years down the road. Okay, we're in the center area of the truck. And I want to point out this command zone. This is a Frontline command zone touch panel power system. So this controls and monitors all the functions of the truck, both AC and DC. So everything can be controlled right here. Also in the center section, we have the galley. We've got microwave and refrigerator over here. And then opposite that, we've got really the brains of the truck here. We've got 2 full height equipment racks. So these house all the radios, switches, video routers. We've got a printer, copier, scanner here, camera systems, cellular routers, satellite antenna controllers. We build these racks in-house at Frontline. And again, they all have rear rack access, as we saw on the outside of the truck, to make sure that technicians can get to the equipment for maintenance and equipment change out. Coming back to the conference room, we've got a rear conference room. This will seat up to 12 personnel. We've got 2 aid stations, one on either side of the conference table. Those positions can control what's up on the touch screen. They can pull in mapping off geo internet. They can pull off video from the Mast cameras, the perimeter camera, off-air local television stations. Really any video they need to see, they can manage from up in this room. So that's the Frontline Communications C-40X-4 Saber custom chassis truck. Very proud to serve our emergency responders. If you ever get a chance to visit us, we're in Clearwater, Florida. Come by and take a tour. We'd love to host you there.